get me down again.
Quite a few people out on the beach fishing today. Most of the old lockdown. ~7. What's the date today, Clive? What? Date? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Are you filming? We've fished about 20 minutes. Clive's gone for the spinning approach to start with. I've gone with a couple of baits on the bottom, bit of lugworm, bit of squid. What? Sweet steak going. What minute? Clive's going to go into his camera voice. Anything to do? Oh, seagulls out there. Loads of them out there. Is it? Yeah, look. What's that? What? That's where we should be then. Oh, fuck me, that's miles out. Yeah. I wonder if we want a big old fire. Does not make any sense. Let's start again. I know what you're trying to say. I've got a feeling that this video is going to be added to another one. Because we've had nothing. It's still not making any sense. We've been here 15 minutes now. First cast. Oh, it looks so nice though, look. So nice. It is actually a beautiful day. Nice. Yeah, go on then. I was going to make a coffee. Social distancing, that's 2.8 metres, that rope. Oh, it's a lovely day as well. Lovely day. Sort of guesstimate this one, so let's hopefully we get one, and then you might see this one. My stomach's just rumbled then. I've got some on. Twisted as I am. This is how bored we are. Look, he's attempting to deliver a coffee. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This isn't gonna work. It will be fine. Come on. Yes. It's in the back of my car. Come on, bit more. Yeah, chump. Yes, go on. They're like big. Give him a bit of energy. Oh, well, at least that's something to watch. That's the best bit of excitement we've had all day. Oh, come on, just one fish. Oh, we're going for it again. We'll set this time. This one's easy. Hey, go and work. Oh, shit. Cheers. Unbelievably, I've actually got another one on now. Oh, sorry about the filming. Guys, miles away. Feels a little bit bigger. Same fish, isn't it? It's the same. It's a bit smaller actually. Oh, no, I got that. Gone for nothing to 2 fish and 2 bar. Go on, guys, double hook up. Get it. Get in. Oh, your oar's gone, mate. Your oar's gone. Oh my god, just pull it off, I don't care. Pick it all up. Oh, it's on my thing anyway, it's connected to my boat, I'll just wrap it all up.
I'm not set up to take this at all.
That's alright, this is going to be good, good viewing. This is when I get stressed. Huh? Well, seems to hit a little shoal. Funny little thing. Got a double look up. Get rid of that one. Where's that other one gone? Oh god. We're not set up for this. Got another one here. There she is! Diable. Oh, they found our place. Found that? Oh, I don't know. We don't know much. Right, we're heading here. It's a good truck, isn't it?
I don't know, that's very strange.
Is there anything you want to say to all our 4 viewers before we go?
Stay safe, guys.
Thanks for all the support. Oh god. Well, what are we doing next? Same again.
Bike?
Who?
Bike.
Shut up, I'm doing a vlog for our fishing thing, not biking.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know I was doing that. Let's go.
I think next time we'll do the drone. We've got a clip that goes on the bottom of the drone. Oh, shut up. Thing that goes. I'm just talking now on the underside of the drone, so we can go up our beachy edge into the kayaking. We can
You got me down
drone it out
again.
and drop it. What do you reckon?